Cooking could be meditative, and cutting is essential in that experience. 4T7 provides me with the suitable friction, texture, and hardness. It significantly saves me time waiting for the meat to thaw to the right temperature. And it gets me a buttery cut-through on vegetables, fruits, and smooth, even grinds. While its app and waterproof digital scale allows me a precise control over each intake calculation, its timer keeps me aware of the cooking process when I work on other things. While I do this, I often feel as if I'm a priest in a ceremony, an artist in his creation. And that is the beauty of cookery. If you
Zega is smart, app-enabled walk-away cookware that does the cooking for you. Simply turn on the stove, add your ingredients, and when it reaches the required temperature, switch off the stove and walk away. Your food continues to cook without the need for gas or electricity, and then stays hot for hours. The secret is the double wall construction that sandwiches a thermodynamic layer of air between two sheets of 1810 stainless steel. It traps heat and moisture inside the pan like a thermos bottle, so you heat it for just minutes and it cooks for hours, all by itself, off the stove, no stirring, no tending. With the Zega app, you can choose from delicious, healthy recipes prepared by our expert chefs who have done all the thinking for you. Zega's unique self-cooking process means your food retains more nutrients and is always cooked to perfection. Zega cooks without direct heat, so it's impossible to burn while it's self-cooking. And its unique self-basting lid keeps your food moist and succulent, locking in more flavor. It comes with a steamer that doubles as a slicer and grater and a meat rack, allowing you to cook complete meals at once. Cook hearty soups, stews, or your favorite pot roast. Steam a basket of healthy, nutritious vegetables. Grate fresh Parmesan cheese over your favorite pasta. And best of all, food stays at the ideal eating temperature for hours without reheating.
Meet Almoway, the countertop kitchen composter transforms any food scraps, like breads, bones, peels, and more, into organic compost without odor or mess. By a process of heating, mixing, cooling, and UV sanitizing, the powerful composting system of Almoway can easily turn food waste into compost at the touch of a button to reduce waste and add convenience to your life. Billions of tons of food scraps are wasted every year, and the natural composting process can take months or even years compared to only a few hours for Almoway to convert them into a nutrient-rich soil amendment.
Meet ICEFOX, the most portable rapid wine chiller. No more ice, no more waiting, no more warm beer. Chill any drink in an instant. Just press the button to start the fast cooling experience. With patented icicle semiconductor technology, ICEFOX quickly chills the drink to the perfect temperature. The cap will monitor the real-time temperature. No longer limited to bottle size. Just pour in any drink and let ICEFOX take care of the rest. Refreshing icy drinks will be ready for you in minutes. ICEFOX is also a stainless steel insulator bottle that can keep drinks cold for hours. ICEFOX, fast chill your drink anywhere and keep it cool from the first sip to the last.
Introducing VISIONE, the world's first induction hob-top kettle with innovative auto switch-off technology for the safest way to boil water. Born of Italian heritage, this induction-compatible kettle is designed to complement your kitchen. Being cord-free, Visione's space-saving design is small enough to put in a cupboard, but beautiful enough you won't want to. A unique 360-degree easy fill funnel lets you fill from any angle without needing to remove the lid. First-of-a-kind intuitive auto switch-off technology means Visione will automatically stop when boiling. There's no need to watch over it, as it will never boil dry. And with no need for a whistle, Visione offers our quietest boil,